most important victory, the most important victories, the most important victories are your small wins. What you do every day, or what time you wake up, what time you eat, what time if you do exercise, you do you get fitness in, or you kind today? Did you control your emotions? Were you a bit more patient? Because on the path towards being better, it's to get to that pinnacle, to get to the height where you want to be, where you want to be in a way, in a case where I'm not perfect, but this is damn near peak, peak of what humans should be. This is damn near peak of what humans should be. The possibility of we can be, the potential. This is it right here. You want to get to here, but once you've gotten to the and you're not dead, and you're not dead, what does that mean? So once you got to that peak, you're not dead. That means there's another peak to go. It simply means there's another peak to go. Because each day, as we know, the goal is to be better than we were yesterday. And each day we arise, each day we wake up, a new challenge awaits us. Once the new challenge awaits us, that means there's something that we must learn, there's something to be learned, there's something that we could and should be better at. We're not dead. If we're not dead, I mean it's not the end. I mean you haven't reached your full potential. I mean you haven't peaked. Because each day we arrive, there's a new opportunity to peak. Because if you're not dead, you should be growing. There's no beating around the bush of, oh, how do I grow, or I'm just coasting today because I've reached 365 days of semen retention, or I've reached 77 weeks of semen retention, or I've reached the pinnacle. Okay, if you've reached the pinnacle, why would you just stop and fall off and be like, oh, I've done this before I reached the pinnacle, and then you go talk about your past, saying that, oh, I remember when I used to work out every single day. I remember when I used to be fit. I remember when I used to be going on runs. And these type of people that talk about, oh, I remember when I used to do it. Okay, so why you're not doing it anymore? Were you crippled? No. Are you dead? No. So those are the only two reasons. If you were crippled, if God didn't take away a limb from, but even if you have a toe, if you never limb was taken away from, I've seen persons without four limbs work hard, progress, and still choose to be better today than they were yesterday. So you tell me no. You tell me, as I'm coming closer to the camera, because we're having a very serious talk. Why aren't you taking advantage? Why aren't you taking advantage of the opportunity of your small wins? You have no excuses why you can't be better. You have no excuses on why you can't be great. And don't look at the word great. This is the thing. When people always often hear say, I want to be great. Don't look at the word meaning that I want to be higher than everyone else. No. But once you're great, you're going to stand out. But the part to be great, the first part to be great, as I've said before in numerous videos, I've said before in the videos of the past, you need to go catch up. The part to be great is linked to the part of self-development. You can't choose to be great and then you're not kind, and then you're not patient, and then you didn't wake up early, and then you didn't stay disciplined. Because to become great, you need to always develop yourself. You need to always progress. Your small wins matter. Your small wins matter. Being patient matters. Controlling your hours matters. Did you exercise today? That matters. Did you read your Bible when you know you're supposed to? That matters. And the small wins, everybody's small wins are different, but everybody have the goal in mind and the dream in mind to what they want to be and what they desire and what they want for them life, want for their family lives. And if you know that you want something particularly for your life, for your family life, that means you should be working towards it. So were you working towards that thing that you said that you want? If not, you didn't do good today. You didn't have a small win today. And that's what it is, because if you're working towards the thing that you desire, that thing that you so dear in your heart want, then therefore it's just a matter of time until bam, the big thing happens and you achieved it. What do you do when no one's watching? As Greg would say, what do you do when no one's watching? You just gotta keep going. The small wins matters the most, and we know this to be true. But you got to stay disciplined. You have to stay focused. There's no cookie cutter around it. It's just straight direct. That's the truth.